वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल में अब ये पढ़ेंगे कि अगर उसके जीरोस दिए गए तो हम लोग एक क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल का फॉर्मेशन कैसे करेंगे, या फिर ये भी हो सकता है कि उस क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल के सम ऑफ द जीरोस और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द जीरोस दे तो भी उसका कैसे फॉर्मेशन करेंगे। जैसे यहाँ दिया है कि फॉर्म ए क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल इफ इट्स जीरोस आर √3 + √2/2 एंड √3 - √2/2। तो सॉल्यूशन इसका हम लोग निकालते हैं कैसे, देखिए। We know very well there are the two zeros in a quadratic polynomial. If alpha and beta are its zero, then alpha is equal to √3 + √2/2 and beta is equal to √3 - √2/2. जैसा कि we know very well, for a formation of quadratic polynomial, the two things is must necessary. One is sum of the zeros and one is product of the zeros. So first of all, we find out the sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, equal to √3 + √2 whole divided 2 plus √3 - √2 whole divided 2. Taking LCM, 2 √3 + √2 plus √3 minus √2 cancel. It is becomes 2 √3/2. 1 √1 √2 √2 3 2 to cancel √3, and after that we find product of zeros. Now we find the product of zeros. Product of zero, that means alpha into beta. It is equal to √3 + √2 divided 2 into √3 minus √2 divided 2. Now we observe it. It is becomes 4a plus b into a minus b. We know very well the formula of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square, that means whole square of √3. B square, that minus b square whole square of √2. And the denominator 2 into 2 becomes 4. Now the whole square of √3 is 3 and whole square of √2 is 2 divided 4. Now we get 1/4. Now we find here the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Now we applying the formula for the finding the quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial equal to x square minus sum of the zeros alpha plus beta into x plus product of the zeros alpha into beta. Now we putting the value here, x square minus sum of the zeros, that means √3x plus product of the zeros is 1/4. This is the quadratic polynomial. Now in next question, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2, then find the values of this following. First is alpha square plus beta square. Second is alpha cube plus beta cube. Third is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. And fourth is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. Here these questions. In these questions we find first of all the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros from this polynomial. That is, the polynomial is x square minus 3x plus 2 and alpha and beta are its 0. Then first we find sum of the zeros alpha plus beta minus b by a minus 3 by a, that means 3, and product of the zeros alpha into beta c by a 2/1. Now for these questions, alpha square plus beta square, that means it is the value of a square plus b square. The value of a square plus b square is what? Whole square of a plus b. Similarly, we applied here whole square of a plus b minus 2 alpha beta, because the formula of a square plus b square is equal to a plus b ka whole square minus 2a. We have the value of alpha plus beta is 3 whole square of 3 minus alpha into beta into 2. 3 3 is 9 minus 2 2 is 4, and then answer comes 5. For second, अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब। अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब, इट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब, that is its value is whole cube of a plus b minus 3ab into a plus b. That is applied the formula here, a cube plus b cube. Again we putting the value alpha plus beta का whole cube, that means what, 3 का whole cube minus 3 alpha into beta, 2 again alpha plus beta 3. Now we find what, whole cube of 3 is 27 minus 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18 equal to 9. Third is what, 1 alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. First we taking the LCM, alpha beta, divide the beta, alpha beta by beta, then we get alpha square, divide the alpha into beta by alpha, then we get beta square. Now we putting the value of alpha square plus beta square. We have to first find out the value of alpha square plus beta square here. 5 upon alpha into beta is 2. This is the answer of this. And last, fourth, this is 1 by, first we taking the LCM, alpha beta, this becomes beta plus alpha minus alpha beta again, we write here. The value of alpha plus beta is 3, alpha into beta is 2, minus again putting the value of alpha into beta is 2. Taking LCM, 2 1 is 2, it is becomes 3, 2 times 2 2 is 4. Now we get minus 1 by 2. By applying this method, we find out the value of this given polynomial. In all these questions, first we find out always the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, and after that alpha into beta. And in these questions, we putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in the given questions by the applying of algebraic formulas. Now we have another question. If alpha and beta are its zeros of this polynomial x square minus 6x minus 16, then find a new polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. So first of all, we find out the sum of the zeros of this given polynomial, that is x square minus 6x minus 16. Alpha and beta are its 0, then first we find out the sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta, minus b by a minus minus 6 by a1 is equal to plus 6. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a minus 16 by 1, that is minus 6. For finding the new polynomial, it is must necessary that what, first we find out the sum of the zeros, and after that we find out the product of the zeros. So for new polynomial, first we find out the sum of the zeros is what, that means हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे सम ऑफ द जीरो 2 अल्फा प्लस 2 बीटा, 2 कॉमन है तो 2 into अल्फा प्लस बीटा, 2 अल्फा प्लस बीटा is 6, that means 12, and after that we find product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta, that means here we put 2 alpha into 2 beta. Now it is becomes what, 4 alpha beta, we putting 4 into alpha into beta is minus 16, it is becomes minus 64. न्यू क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल हम लोग को निकालना है. न्यू क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, x स्क्वायर माइनस सम ऑफ जीरोस, दैट मींस 2 अल्फा प्लस 2 बीटा इनटू x प्लस 2 अल्फा इनटू 2 x स्क्वायर. The value of 2 alpha plus 2 beta is 12. It is minus 12 into x, and value of 2 alpha into 2 beta is what, minus 64. This is the required polynomial. That means अगर किसी भी polynomial में हम लोग को उसके जीरोस दिए गए हो और फिर एक नया polynomial निकालना हो जीरोस पे, तो सबसे पहले हम लोग sum of the zeros और product of the zeros को निकाल लेंगे गिवन पोलिनोमियल से. फिर नया पोलिनोमियल बनाना है, उसके भी जीरोस का सम और प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे, और फिर हम लोग फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे x स्क्वायर माइनस सम ऑफ द जीरोस इनटू x प्लस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द जीरोस और वैल्यू पुट करके हम लोग पोलिनोमियल का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे.